In this activity, we will demonstrate bending of light by refraction. For this activity, we need glass, wooden stick, and water. Keep the stick in the glass. We see that the stick looks straight and regular. Now pour water in the glass. What do you observe? The wooden stick appears bent at a boundary between air and water. This happens because of refraction of light. The phenomenon of bending of light at the interfaces of two media is commonly known as refraction of light. It occurs because the speed of light is different in water and air. So the light coming from one part of the stick lying below the water changes its direction on coming out into the air. The extent of change in direction that takes place in a given pair of media is dependent on the refractive index of two media. Higher the difference in the refractive index of two media, more the bending of light occurs.